Hi, Attorney Nydia Menendez here for our second video in this 101 series. As I mentioned in the prior video, when someone passes away, their estate is all that is left. The estate includes all the deceased person's assets. When the deceased person has not done proper estate planning, upon their death, their estate has to go through the probate process so that a court can distribute and retitle the assets in the decedent's estate. So when someone dies with or without a will and nothing more, the probate process will be required. Many people think that a will is the key to planning, but that is not the case. In fact, we think that wills are so ineffective, we actually have a video series titled Why Wills Won't Work. In that series, we point out that one of the reasons why wills are so ineffective is because wills must be administered by a court through the process known as probate. In a will, you can nominate a personal representative to manage the affairs of the estate. The court will usually appoint the person named in the will, or, absent a will, the court will appoint a personal representative following the guidelines set forth in the statutes. The personal representative must file an inventory and, if applicable, also an appraisal of the assets in the estate and pay creditors. The court will resolve any disputes and transfer title to the assets to the rightful heirs or beneficiaries. When there is a will, the court will usually follow the distributions as outlined in the will. But when there is no will, the court will follow the laws set forth in the statutes. And that's how the assets will be distributed. The probate process should be avoided because it is a dreadful process. Number one, it is expensive. Another reason, probate is open to the public, so your nosy neighbors can find out a lot about what you had and who's going to get it. Another reason, it takes a really long time, and during the process of probate, the assets are frozen. Yet another reason, you are not in control. And lastly, if there is a property in any other state, a probate proceeding will be required in that other state as well. That would be known as ancillary probate. So in addition to the grief of losing a loved one, the probate process creates the additional burden and expense of uncertainty and stress. Just know that with proper planning, probate can and should be avoided. You can learn more about avoiding probate by visiting our website to register for a webinar where you can learn more about estate planning. If you like this video, please like and share. And if you want more videos about estate planning, subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when we release the next video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.